Hello friends, this is Dr. Sangeeta Joshi from Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Let us understand the concept of shallow trench isolation technique, that is STI technique. We have already seen that in case of low cost technique, there is a problem of bird's beak. And in this problem, field oxide is actually extended into the active area region of the transistor, and therefore this technique is not used for modern VLSI technology. And then people thought of having a shallow trench isolation technique, wherein a trench is cut into the semiconductor, and it may be a shallow trench or it may be a long trench, and this trench is filled up with a oxide which is deposited by chemical vapor deposition technique, and it is not thermally grown oxide. Let us understand the process steps of STI. The first step is nitride deposition. A thin layer of oxide is grown by thermal process, and then subsequently a thin layer of silicon nitride is deposited by CVD technique. Thereafter, in the second step, a trench is created wherever you want to have a electrical isolation. For example, in this device, these are the two N wells, and you would like to have isolation between these two N wells, and therefore using the lithography and etching, this Si3N4 pad oxide as well as this silicon is cut, it is etched into a trench. In the third step, this silicon dioxide is deposited into the trench, and you can see this silicon dioxide is up to this level, it is being deposited, and that is done using under the high density plasma conditions. Subsequently, in the step 4, chemical mechanical planarization is done. Here a care must be taken to ensure that only oxide is removed from the top and nitride is not to be removed. And subsequently, the nitride is removed by wet etching using the phosphoric acid. Now you can see here that is the summary of all these steps. In the first step, a trench is cut into the silicon. Then you can see that while etching this trench, under etching of the pad oxide is also observed. Subsequently, the linear oxidation, that is the small thin layer of thermally grown oxide, is done here. Subsequently, the CVD oxide is deposited using the CVD, and you can see here this oxide is above this nitride, and in the CMP stage this planarization is carried out, that excess oxide is being removed, and subsequently the nitride is also removed. Thank you.